The Fujifilm X-E5 seamlessly merges classic rangefinder aesthetics with modern innovation, offering a premium build highlighted by a machined aluminum top plate and a lightweight, portable body. At its core is a 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS sensor, delivering exceptional image quality and vibrant color reproduction, supported by advanced autofocus that leverages AI for reliable subject detection. Creative photographers will appreciate the customizable film simulation dial, enabling quick access to a variety of analog-inspired looks. Video capabilities are impressive, with 6.2K recording and tracking autofocus, though the camera may overheat during extended shoots and lacks a headphone jack for audio monitoring. The user experience benefits from refined controls, including a rear command dial and AF/MF switch, though some may find the film simulation dial's placement less intuitive. While the X-E5 excels in portability and versatility, it does not offer weather sealing, which may be a consideration for outdoor shooters. This mid-range mirrorless camera is best suited for street and travel photographers seeking a stylish, high-performance tool, but those requiring robust video features or extensive manual controls should weigh its limitations before purchasing.